Sorry. I'll put this away. Hello. Now, backed by popular, and dare I say it, unpopular demand, I'm bringing back positioning. Now, I know a lot of you liked it. In my class in particular, it was very bipartisan. Some loved it, some hated it. But even if you didn't like it, you were the ones who just did not get it. Practice it again. There are 3 of them. They're actually a lot of fun when it clicks, when you get it. You got to trust me on this. Let's see. We have, so again, when you're looking at the coordinates, the first number of the coordinate is always the x-axis, what we call the x-axis. And the second number is always the y-axis. So, the analogy is simple. You first need to walk across the park before you climb the tree, or walk across the park before you dig the hole. So, climbing the tree, digging the hole, and that's the park. You look at the numbers. The very center is always 0, 0. It's the very dead center. It's the 0. So if you see a 0, which doesn't look like on this one we have one, so nothing hits the center or the lines. But if you see a 0, that means it's on the line. So if it's a 0 as the x-axis, it's on that line. If it's a 0 on the y-axis, it is on that line. No, the other way around. If it's a 0 on the x-axis, yeah, then the y-axis is going to be, it's going to be along the y-axis. Yeah, okay. You'll figure it. Trust me. It's not here yet, but it'll come up. I'll explain it later. But for this, sorry, I might be hungry. Might have to get myself some McDonald's breakfast. Maybe. Anyway. -7. So we're using today this button up here, which is the line tool. Click on the line tool. You find the park, where you're going to walk across the park to, -7. So I'm going to walk across the park to -7, and then I'm going to climb the tree to +6. So climbing up to +6. And that is where I'm going to begin. Don't have to put a dot there yet. You can if you want, but you don't have to. Because that's the beginning line. That's where the line begins. The second coordinate, -4 and -6, so walking across the park, going to -6, is there. So, +6 rather. So they're both here. So I'm going from -7 to -4 along the +6 line axis. Now, see this button here? This is your border weight. Oh, this is your line weight. You can change the weight of your line to make it thicker. This tool here can change the color if you dare. If you want to change the color, it's up to you. But this is the main one you're going to be using. Next coordinate, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and +4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to draw the line from there to there. Back to the line tool. It's a lot easier than you realize. -5 to +3. Walking across the park to -5, climbing the tree to +3. There we go. Like that. I'll do one more. -5, -2, because now we're going down. We're going to dig a hole. So, think -5 and -2. So it goes below the surface. 1, 2, 3, 5, and then you can keep going. If you do get stuck, you can always cross out the coordinates as you go. So so that's probably the easiest way. Yep. Oh, I truly hope you enjoy these things. As I said, do them all. Find out what you've got. When you figure out the shape, what it is, I'm not sure if I've even done it. I did. If you know what the shape is, double click on that and type it in. But have a go. Don't be afraid to do these. And if you feel like you're not good at it, have a go at them. That's the most important time to have a go. This is it. This is the time to really get used to them. Because like I said, once it clicks, they're really a lot of fun. My secret letter is M, by the way. That's why I referenced McDonald's and I was reading Matilda. Okay. Bye.